The sound arises soft and clear, carrying more than tone. A thought awakens underneath, a meaning yet unknown. The mind once tangled word and form, with feeling, wish and name. But stillness listens past the sound to where they are the same. Form and meaning, sound and soul begin to separate. The surface loosens, truth appears as layers gently fade. When listening moves beyond the ear, and thought grows still and wide, the essence speaks without a word from deep inside. Each form reflects a deeper light, a symbol pointing through. Each quality a living tone, a color felt, not viewed. Purpose breathes within the shape, an idea born of one. And joy arises as the mind aligns with what is done. Form and meaning, sound and soul begin to separate. The surface loosens, truth appears as layers gently fade. When listening moves beyond the ear, and thought grows still and wide, the essence speaks without a word from deep inside. Beyond the sound, beyond the thought, beyond the spoken name, the soul is met within the form, yet never bound the same. Here purpose, quality and life return to source and rest. The many paths converge as one within the oversoul's breath. No word remains to veil the truth, no symbol left to parse. The mind aligns with living meaning at the heart of all. Form reveals the soul within, the part reflects the whole, and understanding rises clear as soul to soul. Sound, meaning,